If your trouser hem always look bulky or uneven after sewing, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you the easiest way to hem your trousers like a professional. The first thing you need to do after joining your trousers together is to arrange it on your table like this, and make sure these two parts are facing each other. You can see me arranging it together in this video. So make sure they are facing each other, and then you put it on the table properly and iron the bottom. If you are using a steam iron, you don't need to add water to it. But if you are using a dry iron like me, then you need to add water to the fabrics. You are going to iron it and make sure it's fully relaxed. Then you turn it to the other side, just like this. Also arrange it properly, make sure the two lines are together, and then you also iron. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. After ironing, you are going to measure the bottom 2 inches. I added 2 inches for folding allowance. So if you added 3 inches of 1 inch, that's the amount you are going to fold at. So you are going to measure all through 2 inches like this, and then you place your iron. Also measure the latter parts like this, 2 inches, and then you place your iron in order to have a straight line. So after ironing, you are going to open it up and turn it inward. You can see the line right here. You fold it inward, making sure everything is properly aligned. After arranging it, you also iron it to make sure it relaxes properly. So this means ironing. After ironing, you are going to open it up, turn it over, and show the rough edge, which is the inner part, just like this. After arranging it, you are going to make sure the two parts, this center line here, is facing the other part. So you also iron to relax it properly. And the next we are going to do is to use our hemming gum, which is a fet. Place it inside, and then you iron. The work of the hemming gum is to close the rough edge and make sure the fabrics are held together properly. If you are a beginner in tailoring, here are some of the tools that I recommend. You can check my comment section or the description to check out the tools that I recommend. Note that as an Amazon influencer, I may earn commission from qualifying purchase. At the point where you join it, you are also going to be very careful, align it properly, make sure the lines are straight before ironing. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so, hit the like button, and send this video to other people who will also benefit from it. You are going to shock in the hemming gum inside, and then you iron. So once you are done ironing, the next thing you are going to do is to move to your sewing machine and do an invisible hem or invisible sewing so that the stitches will not show. I have a video on how to sew invisible hem on my channel. Do well to watch that video next.